Okay then guys, let's have a look at this one, number 12. Let's write it in matrix form then. 3 minus 1, 1. 1, 2, minus 1. Everything's in the right position. 2 minus 3, 4. So there's the matrix that it corresponds to. Times the x, y, z, isn't it? Will equal the 0, 6, minus 8 entries. So we can label this as A, and we can work out det A, can't we? Let's run along the top as is our custom. So we got plus 3 times this 8 minus 3 is 5. Then we've got minus minus, which is a plus 1. We've got 4 minus minus 2, which is 4 plus 2, which is 6. And then we've got plus 1. The last entry is the minor of these four. Minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. So we end up with 15 plus 6 minus 7, which is equal to 14, isn't it? Good, that's the determinant then. Now let's work out the cofactor matrix. So let's draw a template. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and then plus, minus, plus. There we go. That's everything we need. It won't take us long to do that. So the first entry is here. 2 minus 1, minus 3, 4, isn't it? Next one is here. 1 minus 1, 2, 4. And the next one is here. 1, 2, 2, minus 3. Oh, it helps to write down the number you intend to. 1, 2, 2, minus 3, wasn't it? And then that was that entry. And then this entry will be minus 1, 1, minus 3, 4, minus 1, 1, minus 3, 4. And then the middle one, 3, 1, 2, 4. And then here, this one here, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 3, yeah? And then this one here, which is minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1. And then this one, 3, 1, 1 minus 1. And the last one will be these four, 3 minus 1, 1, 2. That's everything. So let's work out our cofactor matrix then. Here, 8 minus 3, because there's a double minus, so it's 8 take 3, which is 5. And then 4 minus minus, so it's plus 2, is 6 with a minus. Yeah, and then we've got minus 3, minus 4. Yeah, minus 3, minus 4 is minus 7. Plus minus is a minus. Okay, that's the top row. Next row, minus 4 minus minus 3 is plus 3. That's minus 1, so it's going to be minus minus, which is a plus 1. 12, take 2 is 10, so we got 10. Minus 9 minus minus 2 is plus 2. Minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. But the other minus is plus 7. Here down the bottom now, last row, 1 take 2 is minus 1. Okay, and then minus 3 take 1 is minus 4, with the minus is plus 4. And then 6 take away minus 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 7. There we are, there's our cofactor matrix. So now we can write down the adjoint of the matrix A, which is simply C transpose. And that, now all we need to do is our first column becomes our first row, our second column becomes our second row, and our third column becomes our third row. There we are. I'm going to just jot down 14 as the determinant, and I'm going to remember that 0, 6, 8 are the numbers on the right hand side. Let's go down the page then, and we can write down the answer, can't we? So x, y, z then, on the fresh page. So let's just do that then. So x, y, and z is equal to, what have we got then? We've got the determinant, which is 1 over 4, the inverse, which is here, 5, 1, minus 1, minus 6, 10, 4, and minus 7, 7, 7. We times that by the entries on the right hand side, and it was 8, 7, minus 7, wasn't it? Okay. No, it wasn't. It was 0, 6 minus 8. I'll get it right in a minute. So it's 0, 6 minus 8. There we go. So that equals to then 1 over 14. And what have we got? 0, 6 minus 8. So we've got 5 noughts is 0. 1, 6 is 6. Minus 1 times minus 8 is plus 8. So we've got 6 plus 8 is 14. The next one, minus 6 noughts. 10 sixes is 60. Minus 32. 60 minus 32 is 28. And then the next one, minus 7 times 0 is 0. 7 sixes are 42. And then 7 minus 8 is 56. 42, take 56 is minus 14 if you need to type it in your calculator. That's fine. So we end up, divide by the 14, we're going to have 1, 2, and minus 1. So there's our answers then. Our answer then, so x equals 1, y equals 2, and z is equal to minus 1. So 1, 2, minus 1. So let's go back up then and have a little check on the solutions. 1, 2, and minus 1. Let's have a look. 3, take 2 is 1, take 1 is 0. And then the one here, 1 plus 4 is 5. Minus 1 is plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Yeah, that's fine. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Minus another 4, isn't it? Gives you the minus 8. So that's good. So there's the answers then. X equals 1, y equals 2, and z equals minus 1. Good. That's 12 done.